I am the Chef Dwight, and today I'm going to be making coconut peanut drops. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to dice my coconut meat in small pieces. We cut it like so. Like so. Not too big. Just like how you want your coconut, your drops to be. Cut them like that. And then, like so. Like so. To start my coconut peanut drops, I start with 2 cups of water. Then I put 2 cups of brown sugar. My stove is on medium heat. Now I'm gonna add ½ teaspoon of salt. Now I'm gonna add some ginger. So now after putting 2 tablespoons of grated ginger, I'm gonna stir in my pot just like so the sugar can be dissolved. Now that the sugar is completely dissolved, I'm adding my coconut. So I'm gonna continue stir for 15 to 20 minutes. Stir occasionally. So I'm gonna stir until coconut softens and the liquid begins to thicken. So after 20 minutes, you notice the water has been dissolved and the liquid has becomes thickened. So I'm gonna add some peanuts, unsalted peanuts now. I'm gonna start it for 10 minutes. I'm also gonna put some vanilla. Teaspoon of vanilla. And now I'm gonna continue mixing. I'm also gonna sprinkle a little cinnamon. So now, as you can see, my butter is ready, and I'm gonna scoop them and put them on a tray, like so. Make sure you do this on parchment paper. Yeah. Looking good, looking good. So now, I'm gonna let them dry, like 10 to 15 minutes. Wow, look at this. Now they are ready, and I'm gonna taste. It's terrific. So I hope you guys have learned something on how to make this recipe. Please like, share, and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.